Hello YouTube family, welcome back, and let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 9 raised power m plus 9 raised power m plus 9 raised power m. This is equal to 999. Okay, so what is the value of m? So solution to this, you find that 9 raised power m, this is it's common. Okay, so that means we are going to have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 999. Okay, 9 raised to power m is common. Okay, so we'll have factor out 9 raised to power m, so that we're going to have 9 raised to power m multiplied by, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3, and this is equal to 999. Okay, so we divide both signs by 3, so that we're going to have 9 raised to power m. This is equal to 333. Okay, now from here, to solve for the value of m, we introduce the natural logarithm, so that we're going to have log 9 raised to power m. This is equal to log 333. All right, now from what we have, 9, okay, log 9, this 9 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 2. All right, and 333 can be expressed as 3 multiplying by 111. Okay, so let's substitute this. We're going to have log 3 raised to power 2m. This is equal to log 3 multiplied by 111. Okay, now from here, if you check on the left hand side, we have log 3 raised to power 2m, and this is in the form of log m raised to power n, which you can express as n log m. Okay, so if you apply this property, we're going to have 2m log 3. This is equal to log 3 multiplied by 111. Okay, so let's proceed as follows. So we have 2m log 3. This is equal to log 3 multiplied by 111. Okay, so as you can see on the right hand side, which is log 3 multiplied by 111, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b. This can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, now let's write this in this form. We're going to have 2m log 3. This is equal to log 3 plus log 111. Okay, we have applied this property, and that's why we have this. Okay, so we divide both signs by log 3, so that now if you simplify, we're going to have 2m. This is equal to 1 plus log 111 divided by log 3. Okay, now as you can see, log 111 divided by log 3, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, and this can be written as log a to base b, which is the same thing. So we'll have 2m. This is equal to 1 plus log 111 to base 3. Okay, so we divide both signs by 2. Okay, so that the value of m, this is equal to 1 plus log 111 to base 3, everything divided by 2. Okay, so this is the value of m. So let's verify if this value of m satisfies the equation. So let's verify that this value of m, which is 1 plus log 111 to base 3 divided by 2, satisfies the equation. So as you recall, we end that 9 raised to power m plus 9 raised to power m plus 9 raised to power m. This is equal to 999. Okay, so and you're able to write it in simple term as 9 raised to power m, which is equal to 333. Okay, so let's check if we substitute the value of m. we'll have the value of 333. Okay, so 9, to begin with, 9 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 2. Okay, so we'll have 3 raised to power 2m. This is supposed to give us a value of 333. Okay, so let's substitute the value of m from what we have. So we'll have 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by m, which is 1 plus log 111 to base 3. Divide everything by 2. So this is supposed to give us a value of 333. So these two simplifies. So we'll have 3 raised to power 1 plus log 111 to base 3, and this is supposed to give us a value of 333. Now 3 raised to power 1 plus log 111 to base 3, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can transform as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's apply this property. So we are saying that 3 raised to power 1 plus log 111 to base 3, which is supposed to give us a value of 333, is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's write it in this form. We're going to have 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 111 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 333. But as you can see, 3 raised to power log 111 to base 3, this is in the form of a raised to power log b to base a. This is essentially equal to b. Okay, so that means 3 raised to power log 111 to base 3, this is the same thing as 111. Okay, now from what we have, we find that we have 3 multiplied by, now 3 raised to power log 111 to base 3, we substitute with 111. Okay, so multiplying by 111, this is supposed to give us a value of 333. Okay, so 3 times 111, this is 333, which is equal to 333. Okay, and that affirms that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and that shows that the value of m, which is m1 plus log 111 to base 3 divided by 2 satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Follow the steps, and see you in the next video. Thank you.